All right, everyone, today we're going to do a final review of all the grammar we have studied in this lesson. The idea is to help you remember the most important points and feel more confident using them in real communication. Let's go step by step and connect everything together. First, let's remember adjectives, comparatives, and superlatives. Adjectives describe nouns, for example, a big house or a fast car. When we compare two things, we use comparatives, like bigger or faster. This house is bigger than that one. When we compare three or more things, we use superlatives, like the biggest or the fastest. This is the biggest house in the street. Remember that short adjectives usually take and est, and longer adjectives use more and the most. Now, let's talk about adverbs and adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns, but adverbs describe verbs. For example, she is a quick runner, adjective, but she runs quickly, adverb. Many adverbs end in -ly, but not all of them, so be careful. Next, let's review mixed tenses questions. In English, we often ask questions in different tenses depending on the situation. For example, do you like coffee? Present simple. Are you working now? Present continuous. Or have you finished your homework? Present perfect. Always remember to change the word order in questions and use the correct auxiliary verb. Now about modal verbs, such as can, must, should, or would. These verbs are followed by the base form of the verb. For example, you should study more, or I can swim. They are very useful to give advice, express ability, or talk about rules. Let's move on to present perfect and past simple. We use the past simple for finished actions in the past, like I visited London last year. But we use the present perfect for actions that are connected to the present, like I have visited London. We don't say when exactly. In negative form, we say I didn't go for past simple, and I haven't gone for present perfect. Now let's review present simple, present continuous, and present perfect in positive and negative forms. The present simple is for routines. I work every day. The present continuous is for actions happening now. I am working now. The present perfect connects past and present. I have worked here for 5 years. In negative, we say, I don't work, I'm not working, and I haven't worked. We also studied past simple and past participle. The past simple is used for finished actions, like I ate, and the past participle is used with the present perfect, like I have eaten. Remember that some verbs are irregular, so you need to learn them. Now about short answers. In English, we often answer questions with short forms. For example, do you like it? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. These are very common in conversation. Let's not forget possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, our, and their. We use them before a noun, my book, their house. We also learned possessive pronouns and object pronouns like mine, yours, him, her, us, and them. For example, this book is mine, or I see him every day. We also looked at phrasal verbs, which are verbs plus a particle like turn on, look for, or give up. These can have special meanings, so it's important to practice them in context. Finally, remember subject pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. These are the subjects of sentences. For example, she is happy or they are studying. So, to finish, all these grammar points are connected. The more you practice them together, the more natural your English will become. Try to use them when speaking and writing, and little by little, you will improve your confidence and fluency.